Good morning, everyone. Today, we are going to present about our assignment 3 for marketing financial service, which is marketing plans about FinNova Micro Invest. So let me introduce my team member first. And the first one, which is myself, Shin Zhenjia, and Oyushen, Megan Hajit, and Afif. So our company is Elite Ultra Fee company, which is one of the modern financial technology companies that focus on making facilitating easy investment. And our main product is FinNova Micro Investment, and is a next generation micro investment platform. And it provides commission-free trading, real-time market data, educational materials, and a smooth mobile experience such as Momo platform. And our target demographic is mostly Gen Z and millennials, and we highlight to target 30,000 above users in the first year through highlight impact digital campaigns, establishing a brand presence via influencer partnerships, and also enhancing user retention via gamification, learning modules, and previous incentive. This platform will be marketed through social media marketing efforts on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok to attract younger audience. To encourage user participation and peer-to-peer promotion, gamification features and referral schemes will also be implemented. And the expected outcomes of these marketing plans include the successful onboarding of a large and loyal user base, increased app engagement, and the establishment of FinNova Micro Invest as a trust and user-friendly micro investing platforms. And our company anticipates high customer certification, strong brand equity, and the potential to scale the platform into broader financial service by combining modern technology with a user-centric approach. And for our introduction to our marketing plans, and our product is about FinNova Micro Invest, and is a reposition as a new product with a micro investment platform designed to attract more customers to do investment with ease and confidence. And our product FinNova Micro Invest also aim to democratize investing by allowing users to start with a minimum capital investment as low as 5 ringgit per times. And FinNova seeks to bridge the gap between traditional investment revenues and the modern investors' expectations. And this promotional accelerate is aimed to detail the product's unique value proposition, identity target customers segment, and present marketing mix strategies to ensure successful market presentation and customer engagement. And for overview of Malaysia's financial service market, and in Malaysia, financial service industry in Malaysia is well regulated, developing quickly with strong support from Bank Negara Malaysia for financial institution and digital innovation. And for Malaysia's interaction with financial service has changed due to the emergence of fintech solutions like micro investment platform and e-wallets such as Touch and Go e-wallet and Boost. And although accessible and user-friendly financial tools are becoming more demand due to the young, but investment participation and financial literacy are still low, and especially for lower income and first time investor. And actually, this is a chance for our product, which is FinNova Micro Invest, to close the gap.
Next, I will explain about competitor analysis. We have a few competitors in the market, for example, like Stashaway, which has a low fees and diversified portfolios, but higher minimum investment than Finova. The second one is Wahid Invest, which is popular for Sharia compliant investment, a potential benchmark for Finova expansion. Next is Myteo. Myteo is emphasized AI-based investing. Finova differentiate with financial education from this. The fourth one is FSM1 and Rakuten. They offer wide trading feature but cater to more experienced users due to complex interface. But last but not least is Momo Global. Momo Global is attractive features like real-time global data and zero commission, but lack localization for Malaysia. Next, I will explain about Finova Advantage. For Advantage, we have it is tailored for Malaysian users. Next one is beginner-friendly interface, BCBS, and is also compliant with local regulation. Last but not least is emphasized on education and inclusivity. Next, I will explain about customer analysis and target market. Customer profile we are looking for is from age group 18 until 30 years old, which is includes student, fresh grad, and early career workers, which is also digital native, comfortable with smartphone, social media, and fintech apps, and also financially curious. They can follow finance influencer on Instagram or TikTok. The challenge that we are facing is like intimidated by traditional investing, for example, like complexity, jargon, and high barriers. Finova solution that we provide is simple onboarding, micro investing from RM only 5 ringgit, bite-sized educational content, and also build trust through relatability and easy access. For target market segmentation, we can put into a few category. For example, college student from 18 to 23, which they have low income, early in financial literacy, and also prefer gamified. Interactive learning, Finova make investing fun and intimidating. Second is fresh graduate from 23 to 26, which is they are starting their careers, seeking financial independence, and also open to investing but cautious. Finova offer low risk, accessible entry point. Next is young professional, which has slightly higher income than fresh graduate, considering saving and asset. One, simplicity, trust, and good ROI, return on investment. Finova must maintain credibility and ease of use. And next is first-time investor, any age, doesn't matter. Previously excluded from traditional finance, attract by tutorial, low-risk, supportive community. So Finova community strategy is we have three strategies. First is personalized messaging and branding. Second is collaborating with influencers. And third, but last but not least, is relatable content to build a connected, empower investing community.
5.0 Segmentation Target Positioning (STP). We have four types of segmentation. The first type is demographic segmentation, second type is geographic segmentation, the third type is behavioral segmentation, the fourth type is psychographic segmentation. The first type, demographic segmentation. Finova Micro Invest is set demographic segmentation as the age 18 to 35, including students, recent graduates, freelancers, and early to mid-career professionals. The second type, geographic segmentation. Finova Micro Invest is focused in Malaysia. This is because Finova Micro Invest is under Elite Atrophy company that is Malaysia best company. The third type is behavioral segmentation. Behavioral segmentation say that Finova Micro Invest is designed for those who are new to investing, frequent investor, and looking for low risk investment. They usually are benefit seeker. They want an easy to use trustworthy platform. The fourth type is psychographic segmentation. Finova Micro Invest is focusing on attitudes, interests, and lifestyle. There is digital savvy, aspirational, and value-conscious individuals who are seeking for financial service. Target. Finova Marcos Invest set his target on young, digital savvy individuals aged between 18 and 35, comfortable using their smartphone and digital apps for everyday transactions. Target is fall within B40 and lower M40 income segments. Most of them have a basic understanding about financial service and investment. They are looking for an accessible and new user-friendly platform for them to use with a complete guide and flexibility. Positioning. Finova Micro Invest is positioned as an innovative, accessible, and educational micro investing platform. Finova Micro Invest also is a position as a trusted financial partner that simplifies the investment process while promoting financial literacy and responsible money management. Positioning as investment tool and a financial empowerment tool. Finova Micro Invest is aimed to have long-term relationship with the users. Marketing makes 4Ps. 4P is product, price, praise, and promotion. The first P is product. Finova Micro Invest has input spare chance investing. This means you can using the Finova Micro Invest app to invest as low as RME. That is will be accepted for investment. The second is personalized investment recommendation. Finova Micro Invest has provided personalized investment recommendation for the all users. The third is goal-based investment tool. Finova Micro Invest have giving the users to set their personalized goal and let them to achieve their goals. The fourth type is gamified interface. Finova Micro Invest have giving rewards for daily sign-in users and daily investment users. The second P is price. Finova Micro Invest have giving free access to all the users, but Finova Micro Invest also giving advanced function to their subscription premium users. The subscription fees is affordable, that is RM 10 ringgit 90 cent per month and 109 ringgit and 90 cent for yearly premium. This is giving the subscriptions users to use the advanced function for their investment life. The price as you go approach risk is to ensure that users only pay for service after approaching a total value of investment. This means if you investment more than a limit amount that is RM 5,000, there will be a service charge. This is because Finova Micro Invest, the mainly aim is to giving the users for them to daily investment for micro investment. The third P is price. And the Atrophy company has used mobile apps become the core distribution channel to promote Finova Micro Invest. They also partners with universities, polytechnics, and student associations across Malaysia. This is because their main target is students, fresh graduates, and mid-career professionals and middle-income users. They also integrate its platform into other well-known and being used digital ecosystem, including e-wallets, online marketplace, and social media platforms. The fourth P is promotions. Elite Atrophy companies has using social media as marketing platform. They target pay ADS on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, and Google Search to promote Finova Micro Invest. They also partner with digital influencers and content creators to promote Finova Micro Invest. This is because the influencers and content creators have many fans. They can help to promote Finova Micro Invest. The traffic company also organize on-campus and community campaigns.
Next, I will explain about strategy execution, metrics, and budget. Strategy execution is a process of putting a plan into action to achieve the company's success. And the first one is product development and enhancement. AI-driven personalization to enhance the AI algorithm for smarter investments, personalized portfolio suggestions, and real-time financial advice. Next is market penetration and user acquisition. Pursued through digital marketings on platforms such as TikTok and Instagram to align with their partnerships on up-to-date platforms. And the last one is operational excellence and customer support. Building an infrastructure capable of handling rapid user growth by establishing a highly responsive customer support system. Metrics. Metric is a measurement of success and necessary for the company to know if the implementation of the strategy is a success or a failure. Um, and then user acquisition and growth. It is to monitor the total of registered and active users to more understanding our engagement to ensure marketing efficiency. And the next one is engagement and retention. It is to analyze the average session to understand user stickiness. And the last one is asset under management, or also known as AUM. It is financially our key indicators. We include AUM to show growth in revenue and profit from various fees. Budget. A comprehensive budget plan is essential to use resources effectively. 40% of the capital is used for technology and development, such as AI-driven personalization to enhance the AI algorithm for smarter investments, personalized portfolio suggestions, and real-time financial advice. 15% of the capital is used for operations and customer support, ensuring we provide a seamless and highly responsive user experience. Next one is 30% of the capital is used for marketing and user acquisitions. This fund will target digital advertising across most platforms that are popular in Malaysia, such as TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Then 5% for contingency fund. This fund is for providing the necessary flexibility to manage any unforeseen expenses, adapt to rapid changing market dynamics, or unexpected strategic opportunities. And the last one is 10% for general and administrative. The remaining of the fund will cover salaries for major management and administrative staff. Moving on, risk assessment and ethical considerations. Operating Finnova Microinvest in Malaysia requires a rigorous risk assessment process in order to safeguard the business and the users. Other than risk, ethical and consideration are also a core for Finnova Microinvest impetus to offer services to young adults and underserved groups. For risk assessments, there are 5 risks. The first one is regulatory compliance risk. It is a regulation on digital financial services, consumer protection, and potentially Sharia compliance if they are offering Islamic investment products. Next is cybersecurity risk. It is to processing of sensitive financial data. It is a protocol in line with Malaysian Personal Data Protection Act. And then there are also market volatility risk. It calls for transparency in communicating to users about investment risk. Then operational risk. It's include the potential for downtime or technical problems on the platform. And the last one is reputational risk. It is caused by poor customer service, data loss, or preserve unethical actions could impact on user trust. Ethical considerations. There are 3 points that can be pointed out. And the first one is financial inclusion and empowerment. It is a platform that must be genuinely accessible with clear jargon-free descriptions about fees, investment product stand, potential risks, and avoiding any predatory practice. Next is data privacy and ethical use of AI. We will collect the data that is necessary, protect it, and keep the AI algorithm free of bias so that we can promote equitable access and advice rather than exploiting behavioral biases. And the last one is ethical responsibility for financial education. It is for providing unbiased quality content that truly enhances users' financial literacy.
In conclusion, Malaysia offers Finnova Microinvest a robust market opportunity due to its changing financial landscape, which is fulfilled by digital adoption and a young tech subpopulace. And the plan's key finding highlights a serious lack of easily accessible investment platform and financial literacy, especially for novice and low-income investors. And lastly, Finnova Microinvest is well positioned to achieve significant market competition and long-term growth thanks to its strengths approach, distant value proposition, and linksman to Malaysia digital finance objective. That's all from our group. Thank you very much.